In the world of fitness, there is a distinct difference between being a bodybuilder and being aesthetic. Look at the physiques of actors like Brad Pitt in Fight Club or Ryan Reynolds in Deadpool. They don't aim for extreme, unmanageable mass. They aim for the V-taper, wide shoulders that funnel down into a narrow, lean waist. This V-shape is the universal symbol of health and athleticism. It makes you look powerful, even when fully clothed. While a bodybuilder's size can sometimes look bulky, the aesthetic frame looks intentional. It's about proportion, not just pounds on a scale. You are building a frame, and that frame starts with the width of your shoulders. To build that frame, your shoulder workout must prioritize execution over raw effort. Most people over-rely on heavy pressing, but width is built in the lateral deltoids. The first tool is the dumbbell lateral raise. Do not swing the weight. Control it to ensure your traps don't take over. For even better isolation, try the leaning cable lateral raise, which keeps constant tension on the muscle throughout the entire range of motion. To complete the look, add the Arnold press to target all three heads of the deltoid and face pulls for rear delt thickness. By focusing on these vertical and lateral movements, you create the capped 3D shoulder look that defines a wide V-taper. But a wide back and shoulders mean nothing if they are hidden under a thick waist. This is where your nutrition protocol becomes the deciding factor. To achieve that narrow waist, you must maintain a disciplined diet focused on the lean proteins like chicken and eggs and complex carbs for fuel. You cannot outtrain a poor diet. Progress isn't found in a single perfect workout. It's found in consistency over months. Use progressive overload, gradually increasing your reps or weight every week to force your muscles to adapt. This process is like the sand you see being cut. It takes time, precision, and a steady hand. Stay consistent, follow the protocol, and build the vessel you deserve.